Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce a convenient and efficient solution for your water needs. Meet the Automatic Water Dispenser Pump, designed specifically for 20-liter water bottles. This smart pump makes it easy to get fresh water anytime without lifting heavy bottles. Simply place the pump on your 20-liter bottle, press the button, and enjoy a steady flow of water. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. With a rechargeable battery, it offers long-lasting power without constant replacements. Made with food-grade materials, it's safe and hygienic for everyday use. Enjoy quiet operation, perfect for home, office, or outdoor settings. Fits all standard 20-liter water bottles for universal convenience. To use, attach the pump securely to your bottle, press the dispenser button, and pour water into your glass or container. Make your water dispensing hassle-free with this amazing automatic pump. Find the product link in our channel bio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful product reviews and tips. See you in the next video.